Welcome to Momentos Pizzeria and Restaurants. You know, this winter it's amazing. Today we're gonna do one of the dishes that we have for the winter in our winter menu. This is called a filet tenderloin veal. It's right underneath of the big cap of the saddle of the veal. This veal gotta cook in the butter. Has to be in the butter. Take the medallion of this veal. Obviously the silver skin we have to take off. We usually use the medallion like that. You press it a little bit. Think it how tender is this. A little bit salt, pepper, a little bit rosemary, the veal, and put them the way like this, cold almost. A beef stock, salt, pepper. Let them cook for about 5 minutes in one side and 5 minutes on the other side. In the meantime, we do some mashed potato, some potato croquette. That we peel the potato. In this potato, I put a little bit of salt, a little bit of liquid saffron. I will put the mashed potato to be done. The mashed potato, we add everything inside. Inside right now we're gonna make a croquette. A little bit flour on this, salt, pepper, Parmesan cheese, and we mix it nice. We grab some breadcrumbs, nice and thin. You work it with your hand. Put them over there. Take this and we replace it on a pan right now. We take the meat out. Potato croquette. Nice and gold. Tender. The veal. With exactly the same juice. Simple dish, but it's delight. A tender and an incredible flavor between the butter, the herbs, the quality of the meat that is a tender, and then the potato croquette, the juice. It is a simple dish, but it's amazing dish. Check out for Valentine's Day, we have a tasting menu that is amazing dishes. Check it out there too, which is, incredible. We're gonna, for a $75, 5-course tastings. It will be great with dessert also. So check our website, check out Momentos, call Momentos to book this on Valentine's Day. It's Momentos Pizzeria in Stroudsburg, 570-422-1040. Thank you for watching us.